Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. How y'all doing?
So, I'm so excited about today's video. Yes, it is another Friday's favorite. And yes, by the thumbnail, you guys already know what we're going to talk about. So, let's just jump right on into it.
Okay, you guys, so today's product is all about the Method brand cleaning spray that you can use around your home. And today I'm going to talk about specifically the all-purpose Antibac Method spray. So let's get into it. So this is what it looks like. You guys have seen Method brand products in the stores, and they're asking for top dollar. But let me just let you guys know that I've been on about Method. I remember that I could buy Method products for the cheap, like cheap. And then as soon as COVID took over, now all of a sudden you're going to pay top dollar, what I consider top dollar. So $3 and above for Method brand products. I personally find it ridiculous when it was just cheap prior to this whole pandemic. But if y'all know what I'm talking about, if y'all seen this product pre-pandemic, how much was it in your city? Let your girl know down in the comment section below. Anyway, I want to talk about this product because I bought it and I've had it for a few months now, and it is, you guys can't tell because of my ring light and I'm not using my normal camera, but it's pretty full. It's about this much of the product left. Okay, so I've only used about this much of the product. I use it sparingly. I don't use it very often, and I'll get into that shortly. But the reason that I got this product is because it is an all-purpose product, and it is antibacterial. It is a germ buster, and it does mention that along the side of the bottle. It kills 99.9% of germs. So I'm definitely pleased by that because, again, you guys know I am a germaphobe, and whatever I get has to kill germs, viruses, etc. So as mentioned previously, it is a multi-purpose product. You can use this on countertops. You can use this on kitchen surfaces, high chairs, doorknobs, and garbage cans. I haven't tried this on garbage cans. I typically only use this product actually in my bathroom. I do not use it in my kitchen. I tried to use it on my dining table and it left a horrible residue. I highly suggest, if you have a wooden dining table, don't use this product on it because it could be a disaster. It took me days to get that residue off my table, but I do use it on my bathroom countertops, and I may have used it on my kitchen countertops here or there, but mainly on my bathroom countertops. And y'all, it does amazing. It leaves no residue and it really cleans off really well. And FYI, it kills 99.9% of household germs. I just wanted to stress that to y'all out there. So one of the good things I like about this product is that you do get a lot of it for your money. So this is and I can't really see it, y'all, because it's so teeny weeny. Okay, you get a 28 floral ounce of the product. This is typically the size of the product, so 28 ounce. Okay, so I do like that. It doesn't take a whole lot of this product to clean your surfaces. However, if you have a bigger home, then of course you may use more of the product. If you clean weekly, of course you may go through this a little bit more quickly than someone such as myself. Now, if you want to use this as a disinfectant, what you want to do is spray the product on whatever surface you're trying to clean. Let it sit for about 10 minutes and then go in and wipe it off. And if you want to sanitize, you'll spray this on whatever surface you're trying to clean and then let it stand for 5 minutes, and then you'll go in and you'll wipe it off. So again, simple. It's not really a whole lot. Y'all, the smell of this, it's okay. The smell of this, I think this is citron scent, but to me, ultimately, it just smells like a really fresh, clean scent, and I love it. It smells good. Maybe a springy smell. I guess that's why it says citron. I'm assuming a citrusy type scent. I like it. I like the smell of it. It is a yellowy type color. I don't know if you guys can see it because, again, I'm not using my camera that would normally zoom in for me. Let me see if I can make it zoom. Okay. So it's like a yellowy type color in here. I do like that it is a spray gun and it makes it easier to use. I do kind of like it. I'm not in love with it, but I'm definitely in like with it, and it is definitely a Friday's goodie, a Friday's favorite. It's something you definitely want to have on hand, in my opinion, if you run out of Pine Sol or Audubon, but that's just me, okay? Method does have a lot of products in their lines, not just this one specifically. I think they have a spray for whole lot of other stuff that you can use around your home. I'm not sure what all those other ones are because I wasn't really looking at the other ones, but what I will try to do is put something here where you can see some of the other stuff that they got, and I'm sure there's a multitude of YouTube videos out there that talks about them specifically. I'm just saying. The only two things I don't like about this product is the price point, and I don't like that I can't use this on a wood surface because it's going to cause a headache for a couple of days. Although they may have a spray specific to your wooden products, your girl just ain't been looking for it, okay? But other than that, I do like this a lot. I do recommend that you try this product around your home if you haven't already, okay? Although I would suggest something else. So if you haven't tried this, I highly recommend that you at least try it once, and once it runs out, if you determine you don't like it, you never have to buy it again. Just saying. Anyway, you guys, that concludes today's video. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.